We are delighted to unveil the world's first carbon-neutral hydraulic quick coupler. We have partnered with Environmental Strategies Limited and Net Zero Group to assess and authenticate our energy carbon footprint produced during design, manufacturing and transportation of our full range of hydraulic quick couplers. So to offset the carbon produced during these processes, we've invested in the Salto Palau Hydro Power Plant project, located in the state of Santa Catarina, South region of Brazil. This project is estimated to reduce the total annual emissions by 186,810 tonnes of carbon dioxide equivalent. Alongside our carbon-neutral hydraulic quick couplers, our smaller parcels are now dispatched in a cardboard box packed with recycled cardboard, from which we obtain from our local community shop. We also use a biodegradable shrink wrap to secure our buckets on the pallets. And where possible, we use electric vehicles